force eroding financial stability for so many. It's not always a dramatic market crash or a sudden job loss. Often it's something far more insidious, something that creeps into our lives unnoticed. Living beyond your means, it's the subtle art of spending more than you earn, a habit that can quickly spiral out of control, leaving you trapped in a cycle of debt and financial anxiety. It's easy to fall into the trap of spending to keep up with others, especially in today's hyper-connected world. Social media constantly bombards us with images of seemingly perfect lives, fueling the desire for the latest gadgets, designer clothes, and exotic vacations. The pressure to project an image of success can be overwhelming. Every unnecessary swipe of your credit card, every impulse purchase, every subscription you barely use, borrows from your future. It's like taking out a loan against your future self, sacrificing long-term financial security for short-term gratification. The interest on that loan, stress, anxiety, and a delayed path to true wealth. The fix? Create a budget that puts you in control, not on restriction. Think of it not as a punishment, but as a roadmap to financial freedom. A well-crafted budget empowers you to make conscious choices about where your money goes, aligning your spending with your values and goals. Track every dollar, apps, spreadsheets, or pen and paper. Find the method that works best for you and stick with it. The key is to be aware of where your money is going. Pay yourself first by saving before you spend. Treat your savings as a non-negotiable bill, just like rent or utilities. Even a small percentage saved consistently can make a huge difference over time, thanks to the power of compounding. Prioritize needs over wants, and watch your savings grow. Witnessing your savings accumulate is incredibly motivating and reinforces positive financial habits. This mindset shift is the foundation for escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, building a secure financial future, and ultimately, achieving true financial freedom. It's about making conscious choices today that will empower you tomorrow. Next mistake, no emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, and without a safety net, you risk going into debt. Start with a small goal, $500 or $1,000 in a separate savings account. Automate transfers, even if it's just $20 per paycheck. Use this fund only for true emergencies. Peace of mind comes from knowing you're prepared. High-interest debt is a wealth destroyer. List every debt and interest rate. Face the numbers. Use the debt avalanche. Pay minimums on all, but attack the highest interest debt first. As you pay off one, roll payments into the next. Don't ignore debt. Take action, and seek help if you're overwhelmed. The sooner you start, the faster you'll be free. Ignoring debt only makes it grow. Not saving for retirement is a silent mistake with huge consequences. Time is your greatest asset. Start now, even with small amounts. Compound interest rewards early action. If your employer offers a 401k match, grab it. No plan at work? Open a Roth IRA and automate contributions. The earlier you start, the bigger your nest egg. Your future self will thank you. No plan? You're drifting. A financial plan is your blueprint. Set clear, specific goals. Use the SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Write down short, mid, and long-term goals. Break them into monthly actions. Review and adjust your plan regularly. A plan keeps you focused and motivated. Saving alone won't build wealth. Investing is essential. Inflation erodes cash, investing grows it. You don't need to pick stocks, index funds, or ETFs. Make it simple. Invest consistently, no matter what the market's doing. Practice dollar-cost averaging for steady growth. Stay invested for the long term. Don't panic during downturns. The biggest risk is not investing at all. Don't let one disaster wipe out your progress. Protect your assets. Insurance isn't just an expense, it's your financial shield. Make sure you have health, auto, and if needed, homeowners insurance. If others rely on your income, get term life insurance. Disability insurance protects your ability to earn. Review your coverage and update as life changes. The right protection keeps your financial house